how to set a HD quality WhatsApp profile picture. So basically, if you try to upload a normal picture to WhatsApp, it's going to lose your quality. But let's see how you can do it without losing any quality. First, you can message yourself or anyone on your chat and send them a picture that you want to set as your profile picture. And once you do that, make sure to tap on this HD at the top. What this will do is it will increase the quality of the picture, so it's high resolution, and simply tap on send. After you send this picture, you want to long press on it or tap on the three dots to save to gallery. And once you do that, you want to tap on the three dots right here and you want to open your profile. From here, tap on this pencil icon to upload a new picture. Select the picture that you just downloaded. So from here, you can select the picture and set your profile picture, crop it and tap on done. And your profile picture should be set without losing the quality. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.